Hello everyone, this is Mr. Brown. Just want to go over the difference between a method call versus a method definition and logo, just to help you out if you need it. So right here is a little method definition. We can tell because of the two word, it's defining how to make a square, right? Of a particular length. We'll talk about that in a second. Right here, then you're calling the method. We can tell because it's not two, it's just one of these methods, the square method that you wrote. Some other methods is forward, left, those are already predefined methods. So right here is also another method definition. This is similar to what we built in our project. So toRobot means make arms at a particular location, legs and head, for example, and then calling that method right there. This time it does not have an input. There are 0 inputs. We also say parameters. And similarly, when you call this method, it does not have any parameters. But we could put in parameters as y'all did in the project pretty easily. So right here then, as I've said a couple times, this is the input or the parameter for that given method. So you can use that right there. And then let's take a look at this code. So toRobot n, that's the definition of to make a robot. Right here, you're kind of starting a method definition or something. That's not right, obviously. So you just get rid of the twos. And that's how you would solve that. So again, a couple little things there. Hopefully that helped. And be ready for the check-in. Thanks. God bless.